BGC Trust University, Bangladesh was founded by a philanthropist and freedom fighter, Engineer Afsaruddin Ahmed, who has a commitment to the soil as an organizer of the Liberation War of Bangladesh. The university was established with an aim to transform population into human resources with knowledge and skill. The Department of English started its journey in 2006 to fulfill these objectives. At BGC Trust University, Bangladesh, the Department of English conducts two programs: BA Honours in English and MA in English. BA Honours and MA programs offer a unique blend of literature in English and applied linguistics. They represent, on the one hand, a broad sampling of British, American, and world literature written in English. On the other, developments in linguistics and language teaching. Extensive reading and writing, along with discussion and presentation skills, are required in virtually all the courses offered by the department. The focus on critical reading, analytical reasoning, and lucid writing is central to the mission of the department. Vision of the Department of English is to become one of the leading English departments in the country by widening students' horizon of knowledge and by inculcating the 21st century graduate skills through interdisciplinary and practical approaches. Missions of the Department of English are to equip students with graduate skills, to enable students to appreciate texts from the perspective of prominent critical approaches and theories, to enlighten students with ethical values through constant exposure to and practice in their academic activities. The department has a pool of sincere, qualified, skilled, and experienced teachers who are guiding the students to achieve their objectives. The department organizes many colorful and joyful programs throughout the year, marking the national days and birthdays of luminary writers of literature. Projects, programs promoting the nourishment of creative faculty of the students and student-centered teaching learning are the other outstanding features of the department. In order to establish a cordial relationship between teachers and students and to promote the co-curricular and extracurricular activities of the department, a student forum named Circle of English Language and Literature, CEL, is working in the department. To achieve these objectives, CEL runs the following clubs. They are Press and Publication Club, Sports Club, Cultural and Drama Club, Debating Club, Reading and Creative Writing Club, Language Club.